Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Apple Tree Ventures. Today I am with one of my other friend. I call him Nandu. His official name is Ravi. So we're going to talk about his car today, and this is his prized possession. Tell me about yourself, mate. Like, where are you originally from?
So I'm from Kerala.
Yeah.
Place called Kottayam. After that, moved to Bangalore. Then moved to Singapore. I was there in Singapore probably for around 8 years.
Okay.
Before moving to Sydney.
Uh-huh.
And it's been 4 years now in Sydney. In a way, for IT people, Singapore is a good place.
Okay.
To go and get a job. They pay you well. It's not too far from home.
So why did you move to Sydney then?
So pay is not everything, no?
Oh, okay.
The money is not everything. Singapore, the work-life balance is pretty bad.
Yeah.
So the work stress is too much. It's getting to me after a while. Sydney is the place to go to if you are into IT. Like I am into IT, and
Okay.
this is the best place to start your career, I feel, because your opportunities are much more.
Okay.
Personally, I'm in love with New South Wales, so I think I'm here to stay.
What is the specification of this car?
So it's a 2-liter turbocharged direct injection turbo. It's a 2-liter direct injection turbo. It's called. The name Subaru has given it is DIT. That stands for direct injection turbo.
Yep.
And makes 268 horsepower.
Okay.
And 350 Newton meters of torque.
That's pretty impressive, eh?
Yeah, it's pretty. I feel it's enough for me at the moment.
Yeah.
And especially on our roads where the speed limit is capped at 110.
Yeah.
I think this is way more than enough.
This is plenty.
Yeah.
See, I should tell you what actually when I hear this car, the first thing which actually comes into my mind is the noise.
Yeah.
It has a beautiful note.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
the turbo actually makes a beautiful noise.
Yes.
Have you done anything to the exhaust system? Have you
No.
changed anything? It's
So
just stock standard, is it?
It's bone stock. I've not done anything at all.
Yeah. But is there an option? Like, can you actually do something to improve the
Yes.
sound?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this car is very, very mod friendly, and the mod market is crazy. So you can mod everything on this car, and you have all that like tried and tested products.
Yeah.
US is a huge market for aftermarket mods.
Yep.
And you do get to buy stuff from Japan as well, but I would say US is the biggest market probably for WRXs to be modded. I'm a bit paranoid that way because I want to keep that warranty intact.
Okay.
So I've got a 5-year warranty.
Okay.
So initially when I bought the car, it was a 3-year thing.
Yeah.
And Subaru that way is amazing.
Yeah.
So when they extended the warranty to 5
Yeah.
for, I think after 6 months 6 months after I bought the car,
Okay.
they extended to 5 years. So I got an email saying that my warranty is updated to 5 years.
Yeah.
And talking about the Subaru Australia customer care, like amazing. So a lot of companies, they ghost you, they don't support you, they don't look at you when you have a problem.
Yep.
But these guys are really, really responsive.
Yeah.
So I'm very nitpicky. So I go to them with the smallest of problems.
Yeah.
Probably, things that other drivers might just ignore.
Yeah.
But they always look after me very well.
Okay.
And if I'm not happy, and if I go to Subaru Australia, they straight away jump on the case. So
Okay.
really good that way.
Customer service is it?
After sales support is really good.
Yeah, yeah. What's the sort of maintenance cycle you have for this car?
Well, so that's, I would say, a downside if you're actually looking at buying Subaru. So they have a 6-month interval.
Okay.
So it's 2 times a year.
Okay.
Or I think 12,000 kilometers. A ballpark figure would be around $400
For one.
for a visit.
Okay.
So you're basically looking at somewhere between $800 to $1,000 a year.
A year just for servicing the car.
Yes, just for
Okay.
service.
Okay.
And again, if you look at the owning cost or the running cost,
Yeah.
fuel is another factor you need to think about,
Yeah.
because it's, I mean, this thing can gulp if you're hard on the throttle, right? So it lives on 95. No, it's supposed to live on 95 octane, but I put only 98.
98 octane. Yeah.
Yeah, because that's
Which
like
is what, $2 a liter these days?
Almost
$2 a liter.
Yes.
And what's the tank capacity like?
60.
60 liters.
Yes.
And how many kilometers you get in 60 liters?
I might be getting like 10 liters per 100.
10 liters per 100. Okay.
Yeah, on an average.
Yeah, okay. So you'll get around 600 kilometers in a full tank.
Probably, yeah.
Okay.
I have to say one more thing: the insurance.
Yeah.
So if somebody is planning to buy a WRX, do your research.
Yeah.
Because the insurance is a bit on the higher side. So there are only a few companies who cover WRXs and STIs.
Yeah.
NRMA is one, Allianz is another. I think Shannon's does it.
Currently in the market, there are only 3 main players, which is NRMA, Alliance, and Shannon's.
I think Shannon's does it.
That's an interesting thing to know. And
yes.
Do you mind me asking how much would that set you back?
Yes, so it increases every year, just to keep in mind,
Yeah.
and your value of the car comes down. So it's kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Brand new would probably cost you $2,200, $2,300 a year.
$2,200 a year.
Yes.
Okay. So can I ask you a question? $3,000 for insurance.
By the way, I have to put a caveat here.
Yeah.
I'm talking about Comprehensive Plus, which covers your windshield and everything, like
Of course.
unlimited car rent. I mean, your car rental and all that.
Of course.
Yeah.
As I said, this is your prized possession, so I'm pretty sure you'll take care of it, each and every bit of it.
Yeah. I mean,
So,
I like that. I like to do it. Yeah.
Sorry, just keeping price in perspective. I don't like to go straight into price, but again, because you said about insurance and it's $3,000, so for an average person who wants to keep a WRX, you are looking at around about $2,500 on insurance.
Yeah.
$1,000. Did you say $1,000 on servicing?
Yes.
And how much would your CTP and your Rejo come up to?
CTP would be probably $500.
$500, yeah. And Rejo would be another. So say $1,000 over there.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1,000, 2,000, 2,005. So almost $5,000.
Yeah.
In a year.
Yes.
Just to keep the car.
Just to keep the car. Just to own the car.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Even if you don't drive it, just you can park it.
Even if you park it in your garage, it's $5,000 just to keep the car.
Yes.
Okay. When you bought this in 2018, how much was the ex-showroom price for it?
Ex-showroom was $44,500 if I remember the numbers right.
Is the resale pretty good?
It is. So I'll probably not tell you the numbers as in the price now. I don't know whether you want to know, but
I definitely want to know. That'll be a question towards the end, you know.
Probably we'll discuss. That's a big story, so I'll come to that.
All right. It's okay. We've got a long drive. So,
so what? So the resale is pretty decent.
Yeah.
So I just put this just out of curiosity. I just put it on car sales.
Yeah.
So there's an option for on car sales where you don't have to actually put on an ad.
Yeah.
All you have to do is, by the way, car sales is the app that we have in Australia.
Yes.
If you want to buy and sell cars.
Yeah.
So there's an option where you can put your car on car sales, and
Yeah.
all the dealers around Australia will bid, and you get a price.
Okay.
And if you're okay with that price, within the next few days, somebody will come home,
Yeah.
check the car,
Yeah.
they'll pay you the money and take the car away, right? So
Okay.
it's very easy to sell it.
So it's more like an eBay thing on car sales.
Yeah.
So the dealerships can bid.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
So
I didn't know about that.
I believe it's a bidding system.
Yeah, okay.
Because when I did it, it was somebody, a dealer near my place.
Yeah.
I got a quote from him,
Yeah.
and the quote was pretty decent, because obviously when you go to a dealer for selling, or what do you call it? Selling your car to them.
Yeah.
You obviously don't expect the market price, right? But
Yeah.
I got a quote for $33,000.
$33,000.
Yeah.
And this, how old is this car?
This is 2018.
2018-year-old
So this is a
WRX.
2018 model.
And it has run how many kilometers?
Hardly 30, 29,000.
29,000 kilometers.
Yeah.
In
It's a very low mileage
3
car.
years.
Yeah, close to 4 years now, I think.
Close to 4 years
Yeah.
now. Okay.
Yeah, it's a very low
33,000.
mileage. A very low mileage car. Yeah, it's $33,000, and that is from a dealer. So if I go private,
Yeah.
probably I might get another $1,000 or another $1,500 more.
Obviously.
Yeah.
You'll get much more than that,
Yes.
in my opinion. So guys, that is all from us this time. I want to thank Nandu for his time, which is actually spared for me today. I hope you guys have actually got something out of this. This is just a driver's feedback about the car, so it might be different for you, but this is just a personal feedback from a real-time user. If you liked what you've seen, please do consider to subscribe, and with more videos, I'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned. Bye.